The fourth largest city in Austria is more than just Mozart and the sound of music. But even if this is not your only reason for traveling there, the city is first and foremost a musical metropolis. Salzburg's use of the slogan "Stage of the World" is understandable. That much performance must fit well in a small city. However, Salzburg is also a terrific spot to explore and take in the history that sets it apart from other Austrian cities due to its distinctive atmosphere and traditional Habsburg architecture. Salzburg is famous without being obscenely crowded, timeless and charming in a way that you always hear about but only understand once you visit. Salzburg has carved out a youthful vibrancy. Max Reinhardt, the renowned theater director and creator of the Salzburg Festival, acquired Leopoldskron Castle in 1918 and rebuilt it to its current state, adding magnificently furnished rooms and a vast library, all of which you are free to explore. The historic structure, built in 1736, is the picture of regal Salzburg. It is situated on the shores of the Sound of Music famous Blue Lake, with well-kept gardens and a mountainous backdrop. Since 1997, the old center of Salzburg has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is regarded as the most important Baroque city north of the Alps. It was constructed to be beautiful and show wealth. It was created and administered by independent Catholic prince archbishops in the 7th century, year 700, when it was a Roman stronghold at the intersection of a military corridor connecting northern and southern Europe. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. In place of the grandiose Habsburg touches, secular additions like cathedrals and stunning Baroque church spires were added. These structures were all placed within expansive Italian-style squares that are now teeming with artwork and offering views of the castle perched atop the hill. The money that city got from salt trade, hence the city's name, was used to build the city, and the archbishop's influence and fortune persisted long into the 19th century. It didn't join the Habsburg Empire until 1816. Pretty avenues offer an alternative splendor that replaces the pastel candy-colored noble residences and obscures the Art Nouveau features of the Austrian monarchy. Gedrei de Gasse is a standout street and gorgeous retail mile that is home to both worldwide businesses and the well-known local confectioners, tailors and weavers. Beyond the focal points of Sound of Music fame, the palace design, meticulous landscaping and lavish fountains of Schloss Mirabell and the Mirabell Gardens are crucial to experience Salzburg's timeless traditional charm. As you look up at the castle complex on the hill, you can see a few rooftops with a mint color that complete the views. View the city's 1000 protected structures from a variety of high vantage points. The rooftop of the Museum of Modern Art offers the greatest view of the city and the historic castle that guards it, the Salzburg fortress, which dates back to the 11th century, itself a frequented panoramic vantage point.